Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm teaching you guys how to make a transition sound effect. And the final result will look like this. Pretty cool, right? So firstly, you need to you first need to go to transitions. You can add any sound effect that you like. Well, I personally like curtains the most for the first slide, but after you try. And then you choose sound. You can change it in any way. Like this one could be good with, let me think, breeze? I don't know. No. It will be good with voltage. And then next one's the same. Like everyone's the same. I personally will use this one. And you can choose any sound you like in the sound too. I personally like this. You can get this sound from this Mixkit sound from mixkit.com. It's a free sound effect. It's a free sound effect place that you can find any like sound effect that you want to. Yeah, please subscribe to me, and if you are subscribed, thank you. Bye bye, guys.